Hi everybody, welcome to Tips from Stella Fitness. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so that you receive notifications for new videos. Now, the struggle to lose belly fat and maintain that flat tummy is real, especially for us moms. But the struggle can be stronger for some as compared to others. And this is most likely because you are doing some mistakes which you must stop today. And these are some of the reasons why you may not be losing that belly fat. Number 1, you have diastasis recti and you are not aware of the condition. So you are most likely doing the wrong exercises that will end up strengthening and emphasizing your big belly. You need to avoid exercises like sit-ups and crunches if you have the condition. If you don't know about diastasis recti, please check it out in the video cards above. Number 2, you have abdominal bloating. This is one of the common reasons for stubborn big bellies and what most flat tummy teas or drinks aim to solve. It is as a result of poor digestion that leads to constipation and gas in the stomach. To sort this out, you have to make sure you have a normal bowel movement, which is at least 3 times a week and not more than 3 times a day, by eating plenty of fiber-rich foods, as well as adding foods to your diet that aid digestion and boost metabolism, like ginger, cinnamon, green tea, cayenne pepper, turmeric powder, etc. In addition, doing the Chinese abdominal massage technique regularly can also help with bloating. If you have not yet seen it, please check out my video about the technique in the video cards above. Number 3, you are doing abdominal exercises wrongly. Whenever an abdominal exercise causes the rectus abdominis muscle to bulge out or shorten, you are doing it wrong and will get a big belly instead. So always make sure that your abs are always pulling inwards towards the spine during abdominal exercises. In addition, knowing the anatomy of your abdominal muscles will help you avoid common mistakes while exercising the muscles. That is why I made this video explaining the anatomy of these muscles. Please check it out in the video cards above. Number 4, you are working out on a full stomach. After a heavy meal, the body is channeling most of its energy to digestion. So exercising while full may not only be less effective, but may also leave you with a stomach discomfort. However, it is ideal that your body is fueled enough for a workout. So it is ideal to take a pre-workout snack about 45 minutes to 1 hour before your workout. An ideal workout snack should be less than 200 calories. Number 5, you have a layer of fat sitting on your abdominal muscles that you are most likely trying to spot reduce. Excess fat, especially that stored in the belly, happens when you consume more calories than what your body burns to use. This is why it is important to engage in healthy, clean eating habits. Fat cannot be spot reduced, so waking up and doing 500 sit-ups may not get your fat away. This will most likely strengthen the muscle underneath, but fat will remain. In order to reduce fat anywhere in the body, you need to balance cardio together with your strength training. And lastly, you are having water weight. Retaining excess water can make you appear and feel fatter than you actually are. Some of the main causes of water weight include too much salt that causes an imbalance between sodium and potassium in your body, and hormonal imbalance. It is important to note that drinking enough water and keeping well hydrated helps in balancing out excess water weight. And over to you, friends. Do you think any of these factors has been hindering you from attaining a strong flat tummy? Let me know in the comments section below. And well, that is just about it for today. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and leave me a comment if you have any questions or something to tell me. Don't forget to share it with your friends and family on social media. Let us also connect on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest, because I do share lots of wellness and useful tips over there too. Don't forget to subscribe for more and hit the bell button so that you receive new video notifications. Don't forget to check out my other videos as well. See you in the next video, and don't forget to love yourself first. Bye bye.